Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix fatal error in the Resident Evil 4. So I will show you the 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in our first method, you just need to right click on your Windows icon at the bottom left and then click on the task manager. So once you are here in your task manager, you have to just right click on your game of the Resident Evil 4 and then click on the end task. Similarly, you have to just repeat this process with all the applications that are running in the background while playing the game. So once you're done, you have to just close this task manager and again relaunch your game, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. For the second method, again right click on your Windows icon and then click on the device manager. So basically you just need to update your graphic card drivers. For this you have to just find here an option of the display adapter. Once you find, you have to just expand this option and then right click on your graphic card driver and then click on the update driver and then click on the search automatically for drivers and wait for completing this searching. So now you can see that the best driver for your device are already installed. You have to just close these windows and then again relaunch your game and your problem will be fixed. In the third method, you have to just click on your search icon and then search here for the Windows Defender Firewall. Once you find it, you have to just click to open it. At this interface, you have to just click on the Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And here you have to just turn off the Windows Defender Firewall in both cases of the private network setting and the public network setting. Once you're done, you have to just click on the OK and make sure that you have disabled the antivirus that you have installed in your system. Once you're done, again relaunch your game and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our fourth method, you just need to restart your system one time. In some cases, it is more than enough to restart your system one time to solve your error, so you must try this method as well. And our next method is that you have to just verify your game files. For this, you have to just open your Steam library and then right click on your Resident Evil 4 and then click on the properties. Click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of the game files. Once this process complete, again relaunch your game and your problem will be fixed. And our last and the final solution is that you have to just uninstall your game and again install it with a stable internet connection. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Thanks for watching.